Everyone seeing this video. In today's video, we are going to test the process of conduction. Now, the things here for the experiment are a steel scale, a candle, 3 bell pins, and finally a matchbox. Now, first take one of the matches in your matchbox and then light it. See, now take your scale and drop some wax on the scale and take your first pin and keep it. Now keep the second. Now the third. Now I have kept the candle. Now take the scale which you have 3 pins and keep it like this and observe what happens. The first one has fallen. See, now the second one has fallen. Now the third one has also fallen. And did you see? All the 3 fell in order. And do you know why this happens? I'll tell you. The heat has a property called conduction. Now, what is this conduction? The conduction is a property of heat in which the heat flows from a cooler end to a hotter end. So, all the 3 fell in order. Please like, share and subscribe. If you like Adable's videos, also comment. Thank you.